When you first log into BBY Plus, you will be taken to this page with a list of the latest financial news and of BBY's latest published research. These lists are both updated throughout the day. On this page, you also have the option of creating a stock watch list, which allows you to keep up to date with any stocks of your choosing. To build a stock watch list, click Create Watch List and enter the stock code into the search code bar. You can also enter the full company name. For example, if you wish to add Fortescue Metals to your watch list, type in the stock code FMG and click Search. When you find the company, click Add. This stock is now part of your watch list, and you can access all our research relating to this stock and our latest company profile. You can add as many stocks as you like to your watch list. The watch list can also be accessed via the Investor Tools tab. All research-related services can be found under Research. The Coverage List provides a list of all stocks covered by BBY in order of analyst. To find a particular stock as quickly as possible, you can type in the analyst's name, the stock name, or the stock code. This will immediately bring up the stock you're looking for. You can also search for companies by particular sectors. Clicking Clear Search will reset the page and allow you to search again. You can also download the coverage list as an Excel file by clicking Download List as CSV. The Daily Market Reports tab provides a list of the morning and afternoon reports summarising what's been happening each day in Australian and overseas markets. If you want a report from a particular time, just use the date range function to find the report you're looking for. You can also narrow your search to just morning or afternoon reports. The Snapshots tab provides a list of snapshots of all published research reports. These provide a concise summary of our published research, including the target price, recommendation, and research highlights. The Notes tab provides access to the full research notes. You can search for research notes by selecting the author's name, the stock code or company name, the sector the company belongs to, or the type of report. For example, to find our report on Telstra, just type in its stock or name and click Search. To get BBY's latest stock profiles of companies we cover, go to Stock Profiles and search for any company of your choosing. You can also search for profiles by selecting the sector the company belongs to or by our analyst's recommendation. As well as notes on individual companies, BBY publishes a range of other reports such as sector reports and regular client updates. To find one of these, go to Economics and Strategy. You can define your search by narrowing the date range, selecting the code or company, or the publication's author. The Investment and Ideas tab allows you to easily sort through BBY's top buy or underperform recommendations from the previous calendar month, which are supported by fundamental and technical data analysis. You can organize the list by clicking on each column heading. For example, clicking Code or Company will organize the list alphabetically by the company code or name. Clicking Sector will organize the list alphabetically by sector, and clicking Current Rec will organize the list by its last recommendation. You can also organize the list by the most recent ratings and by whether their rating has moved up or down. Using the search function will also help you narrow your search. To find one of our actionable trade recommendations, go to Trade Ideas. These recommendations are supported by fundamental and technical data analysis, including entry and exit prices. You can search for trade alerts by selecting the code or company, choosing a particular date range, selecting the type of alert, or by whether it is open or closed. Our various investor tools can be found under the Investor Tools tab. Finance News provides comprehensive news video bulletins covering the Australian and US markets, including the latest economic news and business headlines. You can search for news items by typing a stock code or some keywords into the search box. You can also narrow your search by specifying market and business news, interviews, presentations, media releases, or by defining a date range. You can also do this on the home page by clicking into Search Finance TV. Next on the Investor Tools list is the Market Trend Barometer. This is a daily snapshot on 50 popular trends in the most important foreign exchange, commodity, and stock index markets from around the world. You can find particular barometer snapshots by using the search function to narrow your date range. The risk and return calculator will help you understand the risk and return profile of your portfolio and observe it against the ASX 300 benchmark. You can also plug in potential trades to understand possible exposure. To use it, type in any stock of your choosing in the search bar. Clicking on Select CSV will also upload a CSV file for you. For example, to calculate the risk and return of Pacific Brands Limited, type in the stock code PBG into the search bar and then select the company. By clicking Calculate Risk, you will be provided with a snapshot of the risk and return profile. You can change the weights of the stock to suit your portfolio. You can also add as many stocks as you choose. For example, to add Nearmap Limited, type in the code NEA into the search bar. When you see it appear in the list, click Calculate Risk. To remove any stocks from your calculation, press the red cross button. The blue button will upload the stock profile of each company. The ASX 200 broker ratings provides a list of Australian broker ratings of all stocks in the ASX 200. This list is updated each week, and the numbers in the column show the number of brokers with a buy, hold, or sell recommendation, which is an indicator of the consensus view of the stock. The up or down arrows are a comparison of the current broker rating to the previous week's broker rating. BBY Plus portfolios are a range of managed discretionary accounts that can be tailored to your investment needs. Each portfolio uses a different methodology in their selection of securities and is fine-tuned by our research analysts and portfolio managers. A description of each portfolio is provided in the menu. The reporting calendar is a regularly updated list providing the expected reporting dates for each company. Clicking on Settings will allow you to reset your password. Just click Update Password and follow the instructions as they appear. When you're done on BBY Plus, just click Log Out, which will bring you back to the login page.